Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing really well. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you my favorite perfumes and the ones that I use daily, and my top 5 favorite perfumes. So let's start. So the first one is a luxurious, my recent buy. Actually not, it's been a while actually. But the latest one that I bought, and it's very luxurious, smells amazing. This is by Tiffany Co. So I've kept the box because it's so pretty, and this is the perfume. So this is the intense one, and let me just spray it. Gives that really classy, elegant, luxurious vibe, and it smells great. And I was traveling somewhere and I picked it up from the airport, so smells amazing. Okay, and it stays for a really long time. So this is like floral, and it's like like a strong personality. If you have a very strong personality, boss lady types, that's the feeling that I get when I use this perfume. Smells great, and as I told you, stays for a really long time, and the box is so nice, the bottle is so cute. So this is my first one. So my second one is this is Good Girl by Herrera, and this, oh my god, I'm just gonna spray it. Smells amazing. So this is like fruity, but it is also like a little bit of strong fragrance. So this, when I use this, it's mostly when I'm going out at the night, like a party, or just out with my friends or something. It gives me that vibe. So smells amazing, stays for a really long time. So if you are like going for a night out, this is good. It stays for 10 to 12 hours easily. Okay, love this one. My next one is this is Gold Dia by Bulgari, and the Roman Night, this is what it's called. This is also, the bottle is so fancy and nice. So usually like I take this while traveling. It's floral musk, it's really nice, and it smells great. So this is more like a office everyday thing which I use, and it's a nice perfume. And also I like using like two perfumes together. It gives a really nice smell. Okay, if you're like just bored of using just one perfume, the same smell, try using two and just see that smell. It gives you a really nice feeling. So this is my third one. Moving on to my next. So my next one is this. It's by Victoria's Secret. It's called Bombshell Holiday, and it's so girly, like so fruity, so flowery, so nice. And this is something that I wear when I'm like working out or something, and I also keep it in my bag. So if I just want to spray it, it's really nice. The bottle is so cute and fits into my bag easily. So this is great. So the last one is this. It's the Camuto Fiori. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Sorry if I'm not. So it's almost like about to end. This is like only this much is left. I use this like every day. It's a good perfume for everyday use, and it's more like feminine, the very ladylike perfume. So let me just spray this. So very like ladylike, feminine, floral. This is more of a floral perfume. It's not that fruity. It's very nice. See, the bottle is so cute, and I like it. And I like to also like keep it just for like near my makeup area, just to decorate it. So this is really nice perfume. So these were my top 5 favorite perfumes. Some of them that I use daily, some of them which I use it when I'm going out. And if you have any recommendations, please let me know in the comment section below. And also, you try these perfumes, so you let me know if you liked it or you didn't. I mostly like more like a fruity, floral kind of perfume. So so that's what I like. Let me know what you like, and also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Official, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.